Let me show you guys how I make this delicious tuna casserole. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. Guys, if you're here for the first time, welcome to Karen's Garden. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for keep watching. Thank you guys so much. Let's start cooking. I'll start by boiling my water. I've put water in here. This is where I'm gonna boil my pasta, and I'll turn on my stove. Let me show you guys my ingredients. I have 2 packs of rotini pasta. I cook it a lot because my son eats pasta a lot. He likes it, so I like to cook it a lot. Just put like 2 big packs there. 12 ounces of peas. Yeah. And 12 ounces of mixed vegetable. This is optional. I just like to put mixed vegetable whenever I'm cooking, so my son can eat vegetable. I have 2 cans of cream of mushroom. You can use any brand of your choice. I have 4 cans of tuna. I use the tuna in water, not tuna in oil. Yes, tuna in water, 4 cans. And I'm using this bowl. I like it in this baking bowl is non-stick. Nothing stick on it, so I like to use it. And then I have 4 cups of cheddar cheese. My cheddar cheese. Yes, that's what I'm going to use to make my tuna casserole. Yeah. My water is boiling right now. I'm going to add salt in there. After I add salt, I'll add the 2 packets of my rotini pasta in there. And let it cook just for 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes, because we're going to still bake it in the oven, so we don't want it to cook too much. Yes, just put your 2 packets like that, and make sure you stir it, guys, and let it cook. While my pasta is cooking, I start by preparing my ingredients. I am opening my cream of mushroom. Guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Right now I'm draining my tuna. Make sure you drain the water from the tuna. It's very important, guys. Drain the water. Right now I'm putting everything together. I start by putting my cream of mushroom in the bowl. Right now I'm adding my tuna. Add the whole thing in there. Add your mixed vegetable. Add your peas. Now I'm draining my pasta. Add 1.5 cups of water. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I did not add it in mine because my doctor doesn't want me to eat a lot of salt. Just mix everything together, guys. Add your rotini. Add everything in there. Mix it very well. Mix it so everything combine. Then we're gonna now add half of the cheese. We'll add half of the cheese right now and continue mixing. Now put the remaining cheese at the top. Just put everything at the top. Nice coverage like that. But if you don't have a lot of cheese, just use what you have, guys. It doesn't have to be a lot like this. Yeah, just put it at the top. Cover your baking pan with aluminum foil. I've already preheated the oven for 350 degrees. Yeah, and now we're going to put it in the oven, guys. Put it in the oven to bake for an hour while it's covered like that. Then after an hour, take the cover off and let it bake for 30 minutes more. And that's it. My tuna casserole has been baking for an hour. Right now, I'll take the top off, the aluminum foil off, and I'll let it bake for 30 minutes more. And we take it out of the oven, guys. Guys, the tuna casserole is ready. Look how delicious it looks. So delicious. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Right now, I'm dishing some for myself. It looks so good, guys. It's delicious. Yummy. Delish. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, hit the notification bell, guys. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.